We've had a great pleasure today to spend behind the scenes with the Sumter High Fighting Gamecocks as they get ready to take on Dutch Fork Saturday afternoon at Williams-Brice Stadium in Columbia. Coach Reggie Kennedy have done a great job with this team. After last year, 3-8, his first year as head coach here in Sumter, they are playing for the state championship. What a great story. What a great turnaround. Matter of fact, a young man told me we're trying to get back to the way it was back in 1990. That was the last time I believe they won a state title here in Sumter. He even told me Cleveland Pinckney, a former defensive tackle for the Gamecocks, said, you know what, forget about Burns in the upstate. We're trying to bring that swag back to Sumter. Well, they'll have a chance Saturday afternoon as they take on Coach Knotts and the Dutch Fork Silver Foxes. But join us Friday night. A lot of detailed stuff, a lot of great film talk, a lot of X's and O's with head coach Reggie Kennedy. A lot of stuff right here from Sumter High. The Gamecocks, they're going to get ready. The Gamecocks are undefeated, by the way, in Columbia. Can they keep the streak alive, meaning the Sumter High Gamecocks? We'll see Saturday afternoon. But don't miss Friday night. We'll be live and ready to rock and roll. I'm Corey Miller reporting. Watch Fox Sports.